Hi, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we can see that we just successfully created a new home screen folder. If you want to rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. To move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the home screen, from the folder to the home screen, hold and drag it to the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. And if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, one click, hold the folder and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.